people, welcome to your lesson. Today we are going to page 120, okay? So before we start, okay, I want to do a little revision, okay? So, remember this, okay? We use any in questions and negative sentences. We use some in positive sentences, okay? Anybody for people. We use anybody in questions and negative sentences. We use somebody for people in positive sentences. Anything. We use anything for things in questions and negative sentences. We use something for things in positive sentences. O que é importante aqui, gente, é o seguinte, temos que ter em mente que any e some são a mesma coisa, têm o mesmo significado. They have the same meaning, ok? O mesmo vale para anybody and somebody. They have the same meaning. Anything, something, they have the same meaning. Lembre-se que o anything, para ter um sentido negativo, ele precisa, antes dele, ter o not, ok? Ele em si não é uma palavra negativa, ele é uma palavra positiva, porém ele é usado em frases que tenham a negativa, ok? Por exemplo, se eu falar assim, there aren't students in the school. There aren't, não há. Aren't, o not está contraído com are. Lembram disso? Are plus not. So, there aren't any students in the classroom. Ok? Negativa, uso any. E para falar que tem, there are some students in the classroom. Ok? O mesmo vale quando eu usar somebody, something. Ok? Anybody, anything. Good? Ok. So, let's repeat the new content. Nobody. No one. To pronounce. Nothing. Very good. Guys, nobody and no one. Nobody and no one are the negative forms of anybody, somebody. So, somebody, positive. Anybody, positive. Nobody, negative. Ok? O mesmo vale aqui, ó. Nothing. Nothing is the negative form of anything, and nothing is the negative form of something. Cool? Very good. Guys, the verb to pronounce, it's similar to Portuguese, okay? To pronounce means to say something, okay? So, let's read the examples here. Instead of saying, there isn't anybody in the classroom. Em português nós falaríamos, não há ninguém na sala. We can say, there is, sem a negativa, nobody in the classroom. Porque aqui a negativa é o nobody. Ok? O mesmo vale aqui, ó. A forma negativa de any é no. A forma negativa de some é no. Ok? Então, eu falar assim, there isn't anybody in the classroom. There is nobody in the classroom mean the same thing, ok? instead of saying there isn't anything in the classroom, we can say there is nothing in the classroom. No one and nobody have the same meaning. We cannot say there isn't nobody or there isn't nothing, because in English we cannot use a double negative. Okay? Two negatives make the sentence positive. Okay? Good. So guys, let's repeat. There isn't anybody in the school. There is nobody in the school. Is there anybody in the school? There isn't anything in her bag. There is nothing in her bag. The words no one and nobody have the same meaning. Okay? So, let's practice. Don't forget to pause your video, okay, before I answer the question. Is there anything in this classroom? Yes, there is something in this classroom. Is there anything in the corridor? No, there is nothing in the corridor. Is there a cat in her bag? No, there isn't a cat in her bag, but there is nothing in her bag. Do you want anything in your coffee? No, I don't want anything in my coffee. Pronounce this word, please. Third. Pronounce these words, please. 55th birthday. Do you want anybody to stand up? No, I want nobody to stand up. Does Mrs. Webb want anybody to cook her dinner? No, Mrs. Webb wants nobody to cook her dinner. Does your mother like anybody to wake her up? No, my mother likes nobody to wake her up. Is there anybody outside the window? No, there is nobody outside the window. Is there anybody next to me? No, there isn't anybody next to you. Can you pronounce this word, please, women? Yes, I can pronounce this word, women. Are English words difficult to pronounce? Yes, some English words are difficult to pronounce. Very nice, guys. Guys, this was today's new content, okay? I know it's a little short because yesterday's lesson was much longer, okay? And if you have any questions, please let me know. We have an exercise about this on page 181. Okay, you can do it, and if you have any questions, please let me know, let your teacher know. Okay, we also have the exercise 4 on the same page about telling the time. Telling the time was the last content from last lesson, okay, and I want you to practice, okay. I know the space isn't big enough, but you can write on the sides, okay? And write it in words, not numbers, ok? Então, o exercício 4 que nós temos aqui, eu sei que o espaço é pequeno, tá? Porém, eu gostaria que vocês escrevessem ele por extenso, cada uma dessas horas aqui. Vocês podem colocar a hora em números aqui e depois vocês fazem aqui no cantinho, ó. Só numerar aqui de 1 a 9, ok? E escrever por extenso a hora. Pode usar esse lado e esse lado, ok? Okay, guys, thank you very much. See you next lesson. Bye-bye.